Hello Aquarius, welcome to my channel. This is your love reading for the month of October. Hopefully we'll have some awesome stuff, Aquarius. Now this is a general reading, not all messages might resonate with you, so keep whatever resonates. So let's see, Aquarius, what's there for you. So first I'll be pulling out your energies, then your person's energies, and then a likely outcome for this relationship. So two likely outcomes I pull out because there are thousands and millions of Aquarius. So just see, Aquarius. You were stuck. You think about your person. You're thinking about them. This is Four of Swords with the Seven of Cups. So Seven of Cups in reverse you get. So you're thinking about that person. You are thinking, when is this situation where you are in reality check. You want reality check, like this is like a card of illusion in upright position. So you are out of the confusion. You're waiting for things to change. You're waiting for a blessing to come to you. That is what you are healing, or you have a spiritual awakening. You're trying to manifest a person or relationship in that person in your life. So some of you Aquarius, this is your energy here. You are also healing yourself, and you are doing a reality check. Now you're trying to think about logically and practically, that is what, but somewhere down the line you want to manifest this person in your life. You are waiting for a blessing. That is what again I get with this Four of Swords. Let us see what else for Aquarius. The Hanged Man and Ten of Wands. So it seems that you have done whatever was required, Aquarius. You carried on all the burden of this relationship. You did a lot of hard work. You are thinking about what happened, because you were the person who was doing all the things required in this relationship. You were trying to, the other person, so all the burdens were on you, and you are still wondering what happened, why it did not work. That is like situations, you're trying to see different sides of different things, trying to figure out what actually went wrong here. So but you still think about your person. You are very much in love with your person. This is what I get here, Aquarius. You think day and night about them, and because you get the Four of Swords and also the Hanged Man, you're still stuck in their energies. That is what I get here. Now let me see your person's energy. You miss them and you still love them. That is what I get. So Aquarius person's energy. Aquarius person's energy. Justice. So Libra, if you're dealing with, the Hermit. So your person must have distanced themselves from you. They must be Justice card, like it could be a Libra, Aquarius and Gemini too here, because there is a sword also in this card. So it seems that Hermit mode, they feel lonely without you. They also feel they are attracted to you. They feel your loss. They think about you. They but they are alone, lonely, depressed. They want to balance it out at times. They want this balance in relationship at times. This is what I get here. So basically feeling depressed, lonely, and they think about you. This is what I get to hear from your person's energy, Aquarius. Maybe there was certain issues going on with with the situation, so that helped. But it shows that you are in a distant, and some of you are separated already. That is what I get here. But there is, let us see what else. Okay, Aquarius. So Three of Cups and Seven of Pentacles. So some of your person thinks, Aquarius, or you could be thinking about them energy. So there is one of you having a third party situation, or another something which has got someone else is there in this relationship. It's not always another lover or partner. It could be anything else. So you're wondering now that whether this relationship is really gonna work. You are tired and sick of waiting and trying to get a message from them. So maybe they are holding back, they are not trying to, you know, message you or reaching out to you, but they do think about themselves, they do think about you, and it seems that they are enjoying with friends, family and other places, and you are wondering, you know, whether they will reach out or not. What is the future of this relationship? This is what I get here. You or even your person sometimes wonders, like, you know, whether to be in this relationship or move out. This is what with the Seven of Pentacle card here. It seems Seven of Pentacle is a slow energy. It seems they won't decide now anything, but they're just wondering at times whether this, you know, your person is wondering whether this relationship is worth keeping or moving on. This is what I get here. There could be third party situation. There is Three of Cups here, so certainly someone else also involved here for some of you again here. So let's see what else. One more we will pick up and we'll see. There are trust issues basically here. There is a toxic situation, definitely third party, or addiction also. It could be third party, always doesn't mean there could be addiction issues, something else, you know, jealousy, something like that. But they feel for you. So one more card with your person and we'll see the outcome. So this is like Ace of Swords, so Aquarius, Gemini, Libra. Knight of Swords, so let me see, Knight of Swords, Three of Swords. So all swords here. It seems who are dealing with Aquarius, Gemini, Libra, so one is your card. Your person, some of you, you know, might try wanting to reach out to you or at least clarify the reason. You know, you will get a clarification or they will come forward to give a clarification regarding this heartbreak or the situation, why it went wrong, or why is it that they are distant, or why is it like one person is going to come forward and make a and give your clarity about the situation. Whoever is at fault, it seems more now, it will clear the air, even if there is no reconciliation here as such, but at least you will get a clarity on the situation, and your person wants this clarity or you want this clarity. It seems there will be communication between you both, wherein there could be arguments, there could be fights, but you will get a clarity. For some of you here, they want to clear the air, your person wants to clear the air, they want to clear things out with you. It could end up in arguments too. This is what I get. So let's see overall what is like, what could be the likely outcome. Let me take these cards here. So likely outcome for Aquarius in their relationship. 1 second. I'll pull two likely outcomes, because likely outcome. Okay, so Three of Wands, waiting, the Sun, okay, and the Nine of Wands. This shows that, Three of Wands is like waiting card, wanting to take action. That is what I feel here. So some of you, the one person here, especially if it's a fire sign, here it seems the Sun and a Leo person here, one will try to reach out, but still guarded the other person is gonna be, your person might still be guarded, some of you. So it will be like, a waiting and a stuck situation altogether for some of you here. Things will be same as it used to be here. So Three of Wands is basically waiting for, message to come, or even if you reach out, for a Sun card, if it's a Leo person, you want reconciliation or you want to be together, but one side is heavily guarded here. Nine of Wands, still guarded, holding on to their grudges or emotions, whatever it is. So this is for some of you here. It will still be a stuck situation. One more clarification. Maybe you'll clarify and it will further, because I got this clarification thing. So let us see one more likely outcome. I don't know, cards are popping out, just give me this clarification. Let's see likely outcome for Aquarius. Okay, so Nine of Cups, looks to be good. Four of Cups, and Eight of Pentacles. So definitely some of you want reconciliation, some of you will want to. Nine of Cups is like fulfilling, over fulfilling energy. If your person is a Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and yeah, you have 2 cups, so if there is a like distance between you, so this there could be some communication here. They want to work on this relationship. Eight of Pentacle also could be Taurus, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn here. So they could a reconciliation could happen, or coming together could happen. Even if it is not a direct reconciliation card, you know, it could be like you could get clarity on a situation. That is what I get here. Because but it will, this is like a fulfilling, like you will be feeling good about whatever clarity is coming. For the present, you will be satisfied with this situation, the conversations, or it could lead to reconciliation. Mercury retrograde coming from 14th October, this calls for, you know, reconciliation from an ex. If you are separated or you had a tower moment, so this is the card here. So these are the things, Aquarius outcomes. So if you do like my readings, subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share, and thank you so much.